Are you missing teeth and considering dental implants? You're not alone. More people are choosing dental implants as the best option for restoring their smiles. But why? I'm Dr. Travis Wills from Shady Spring Dental Care, and today we'll explore how dental implants work, the process involved, and share inspiring patient experiences that illustrate their life-changing benefits. Before we get started, do me a favor and click on the thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to our channel. It's just a quick couple clicks for you, but it helps us a lot. Now let's dive in. Most people aren't clear on how dental implants actually work, but we will change that right now. Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are like screws. They are surgically placed into your jawbone to anchor missing teeth, whether it's a single tooth, multiple teeth, or an entire arch. The implant fuses to the jawbone through a process called osseointegration, which typically takes 3 to 6 months depending on bone quality. Each implant consists of 3 parts: the titanium screw, the abutment that connects to the crown, and the crown itself, which is custom made to match your natural teeth. With a high success rate of around 97 to 98%, dental implants provide a long-lasting solution that restores function and confidence, which is why they are considered the gold standard in tooth replacement. Wondering what the process of dental implants looks like? Here's a step-by-step guide. At Shady Spring Dental Care, we start by assessing your oral health. A thorough examination and 3D X-ray ensures you're a candidate for implants. We invest in and utilize advanced technologies, including CT scans and digital impressions, to plan the precise placement of your implants so that you can have the best possible outcome. If you need bone grafting, the process may take longer. However, if everything is in good shape, we can often place the implants and provide a temporary crown on the same day. This means you can leave our office with a new smile in just one visit, giving you the confidence you deserve right away. Curious about real patient experiences with dental implants? We have hundreds of happy dental implant patients, and most of them say their only regret is not getting implants sooner. Many of our patients describe their experiences as life-changing. One patient shared that after receiving their implants, they felt more confident than ever, allowing them to enjoy more meals and smile freely. Another patient noted that the care they received made them feel supported throughout the entire process, leading to a successful outcome that truly transformed their life. So are dental implants right for you? Let's recap. Dental implants are a fantastic option for restoring your smile, offering both functionality and confidence. With proper care, they can last a lifetime. If you're considering dental implants, we invite you to schedule a consultation at Shady Spring Dental Care. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way.